everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. Oh my gosh, this is such a weird day. First of all, it's beautiful out. Absolutely gorgeous fall day. But it's like hot, cold, so I have no idea what to wear. I had a sweatshirt on, and then I was like, you know what? I'm kind of hot. So then I put my flannel shirt on, and now I'm still kind of hot, but a t-shirt is too like cool. So I'm like, I don't even know what to wear right now. So I do like this flannel shirt. I'm like digging flannel shirts this year. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm going back and forth. You know, I'm doing my Christmas, Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving thing all over the place. But I wanted to talk about strawberry snowflakes today, because I just saw the new packaging. It's gorgeous. I gotta say, it's magical. I'm not gonna put a screenshot up. Go over to Life Inside the Page. I think Tess put this up. I'm seeing this all over Instagram, but it's not my photo, so I don't want to put it up. But I think Tess might have it on. So Life Inside the Page. I'll put the link below. She's got a ton of the holiday release stuff coming, which is always exciting. I always get excited when I see Christmas. Yes, I'm looking at it right now. Go visit Tess, and you'll see a little sneak peek of the packaging. It's gorgeous. By the way, what happened to Luminous? I thought we were getting like early access to Luminous, and someone had mentioned it. And honestly, like, I forgot it was coming today. I didn't even look on my app, but I don't think we got it. Is that like really weird? I don't know what's going on with that. Now my Bath & Body Works app won't even load. What the heck? Oh, here it is. Okay, the Wallflower event. No, I'm not seeing early access to Luminous. So I don't know what's going on. When are we going to see this? I actually like this one. So, back to strawberry snowflakes. This came out last year in the faceted. It was a pretty big deal last year, and I'm super happy it's coming back again. It's not going to be faceted, though. What's going to be faceted, like I was talking about yesterday, is Winter Candy Apple and Vanilla Bean Noel, and there's a huge buzz out there because it's going to be more expensive. So holiday traditions going up in price. I don't know if it's the entire collection, like is Christmas cookies going to be, you know, is it coming back? Is it going to be faceted? I don't know. I just saw the Winter Candy Apple and the Vanilla Bean Noel in the faceted, but this is not going to be faceted. I love this scent, by the way. It's funny because I smelled it again yesterday. It's a really good, like, year-round scent. It's juicy strawberry, whipped cream, and iced bergamot. It's different than strawberry pound cake. So strawberry pound cake literally smells like you just dumped strawberry cakey vanilla creamy thing on your head. It smells like food. I love it. You know, it's my desert island scent. But strawberry snowflakes is more sophisticated. It smells more like a fragrance that you'd actually want to wear out and about rather than smelling like food. And it's delightful. It really is. I am so excited this one's coming back. I loved it in the shower gel, and I have no more shower gel in this. I remember using it in the shower, and it just had just the right amount of like strawberry and vanilla, and a little something extra in there that feels festive. It feels like Christmas. It feels like a party, but it also feels like it could be a summer scent. Like, close your eyes if you have this and smell strawberry snowflakes, and you kind of get a delightful like spring summer scent. So I don't know, this is a good year-round one. If you missed it last year, you're going to have a chance for it again this year. The one thing I did like about this was kind of the holographic packaging. I don't know, this is like really pretty, but I'm excited for the new packaging. I'm excited for something new. So shout out to strawberry snowflakes. We've still got the Wallflower sale going on, of course. It's interesting. I was starting to read through my comments. Doesn't seem like a lot of people are shopping right now. They're waiting. They're waiting for what's new, which is going to be coming fairly soon. But we do have this kind of like weird, you know, we've got fall and Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas all converging. So let me see. Oh yeah, I'm on Tess's blog right now. So in this collection, oh, that's right. I gotta tell, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Okay, Winterberry Wonder, Snowflakes and Cashmere, Strawberry Snowflakes, and Fairy Tale. Oh my gosh, it is a delightful looking packaging. I mean, absolutely beautiful. Actually, the Fairy Tale is green and it's so pretty. I gotta say, I'm looking at it right now in Tessa's blog. Head over there. Check it out because it looks really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I forgot about Fairy Tale was in this collection. Anyway. Oops, it's backwards. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're excited about this one coming back, and I will see you in a few. I have a giant box of Kringle Candle Reserve candles right next to me. We're going to do those. Bye-bye.